Welcome to Aciero in Amsterdam, and join me on my journey where I cover topics that inspire my design process of the products and services I design. On this channel you'll find topics such as how to make money online, how to build your online store, how to market your business, how to get visible online, and gardening videos that inspire my design process of the scarves and other silk products I design and all the artwork. If you're interested in any of the topics I cover, subscribe, and for more information and to learn more on how we can help you, go to aciero.nl. You'll find us there. And don't forget to like our videos, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. And kisses to all of you, and bye.